guys, it's Beauty Brave 14. I hope you guys are all doing very well today. I know I haven't been on YouTube for such a long time. I feel like I've been saying this every single time I come back and make a video for you guys. You guys know how busy I am and I really do apologize. But no further ado, today I have a very exciting video. A video that I used to do back in the day, which are my daily GoodieBox unboxing videos. And if you guys are not quite sure about daily GoodieBox, pretty much what it is just like a box that comes in with free goodies, whether it's food or it is like skincare items, but there's mostly like food and snacks in there. And most of the snacks are healthy options, so if you guys are trying to lose weight or you're just trying to be healthier with your snacking, then the daily GoodieBox is perfect for you. Now for this GoodieBox, I actually got this a while ago and I just didn't make the video yet, so I just kind of like took a sneak peek inside. So this isn't going to be a reaction, like a first reaction, but I am going to talk to you guys about the products. I did get to try some of them. So when you open it up, it's not perfectly set inside. Usually there's a nice little ribbon, or not a ribbon, but like a tissue paper on top of the goodies. But of course, since I opened it already, it does not have that. I just put the goodies on top. So the first thing that is in this box that I actually did try is the Prince of Peace 100% natural ginger chews. And this is just what it looks like. If you guys are not sure about this, basically what these are is a combination of ginger and mango. They're just little candies. It is 3 ounces in 85 grams. And they're just individually wrapped. So this is just what it looks like. I did try these and they're very chewy. I'm from the Caribbean. My parents are Jamaican, so we do eat a lot of like ginger candies and stuff like that because that's pretty much what we were like brought up on. However, these are very different than the ones that I have tried in the past. The ones that I've tried are like actually like hard candies, where these are more like chewy, like mango-y type of taffy. Like, I guess that's how I explain it. Like, it's like a taffy in a way. But in the back of it, I can't even read you guys what it says because it's all in like Chinese or Japanese or something. So actually, oh, it says Prince of Peace ginger chews with mango are easy, convenient, and tasty way to enjoy ginger. A delightful balance of sweet and spicy ginger taste with a pleasant chewy texture. Ginger is also known for bringing comfort to the stomach. So if you guys are having upset stomach or you don't want to drink the ginger tea, then you can definitely pop one of these into your mouth when you're at work or at school or wherever where you may be. They're really good, and this is very delicious because it has mango in it as well. So I did like those. I actually did try those when I opened this up. Next was in my goodie box is the Good Natured Selects vegetable chips, and they just look like this. And I've seen people at my school eat vegetable chips when I was in high school. However, I was like, ew, you're really eating vegetable chips? Like, ew, gross. But I tried these and these are so good. They are so like lightly salted, but they have just amount of flavor in it. It has crispy potato and veggie snacks in the flavor spinach, carrots, and tomatoes. And these are so good and healthy for you, so I really did like these. And like I said, they're very light but crispy at the same time, so I really do like these. The next thing that I see in this box that I actually did not try is the Orange Naturally Flavored BiPro plus Caffeine drink. It's an energy drink and it just looks like this. It has 20 grams of protein and is a naturally sweetened protein water. So I do not drink any of these things. I do not like drinking like protein shakes, protein waters, anything like that. So I don't really know who I'm going to give this to. I might give it to my brother, but it just looks like this, and it is just clear in the flavor orange. The next thing that I see in this box is an all-natural short-term sleep aid by the brand Napz, N-A-P-Z, and it says wake up refreshed, non-habit forming, drug-free pill. So this is just what you take when you want to sleep better. If you're having trouble sleeping, then you would take this product. I personally do not have any trouble sleeping. I used to have trouble sleeping when I was in middle school and high school. Not even high school, middle school and a little bit of high school. However, now that I'm in college, as soon as I hit the hay, I am knocked out, not even playing. So I do not need this. However, I will give this to my mom. Maybe she'll try it and see what I'll let you guys know what she thinks. Next, I have some Choice organic teas. This one is organic. It is in the flavor Russe matcha, and it just looks like this. And this one says it is a blend of mushrooms and green tea for energy. It contains caffeine, and it is organic immunity support. So I'm not really a big tea drinker. I'm more of a coffee drinker. But when I do drink tea, I like to drink green tea or peppermint tea. I don't really try any other, but I will give this a try and I'll see if I like it. This right here is a Beauty Renewal face cream, which I did say that they do sell like skincare products in here. It is non-GMO, probiotic, and C renewal cream, and it's just a single use. So I will try that out. It's supposed to give you probiotic plus C, and hey, I like trying out new skincare products. Then I got two of these, which are these little less SOS Goodwipes down there wipes. So this is just what you use in your private areas, you guys know. But I will be keeping these. These are great to keep on the go, just in case you have an accident or you just need to clean up anything, if you know what I mean. This right here is a Herbal Zap Ancient Ayurvedic. I don't even know how to spell that, how to pronounce that. Ayurvedic Herbal Blended Digestive Support Tea. So it's just supposed to help you with your digestive system. And then I've also got another one of these little teas by Choice Organic Teas, but this is in the flavor Shiitake Turmeric, a whole body balancing blend of mushrooms and herbs. So that's just what that looks like. And then of course they always give me like little coupons, just in case if you do want to purchase any of these items, you get a percentage off, of course. So I got this for the Goodwipes. It is sold at Walmart and Amazon. I got another one of these face creams, a little packet of the tea that I got, and then another little packet for this little tea. So that is all the items that I got in my daily goodie box, and I did enjoy this box. However, I have gotten better boxes in the past. They like to switch it up. Sometimes they give you more snacks, or sometimes they give you more sweet stuff, like sugary, sweet tooth things, and sometimes they give you more teas. So it really is a combination. You really never know what you will be getting. That's what I love about Daily Goodie Box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys so much. I love you guys to pieces, and I am so sorry that I haven't been on YouTube. I'm really slacking. However, I'm going to try my best to keep making videos for you guys because you guys deserve it. Love you guys to pieces, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.